Hi guys, it's Michelle. Welcome to my channel, Grateful Creations. Well, I have some leftover paints here from that previous pour, big one, and I thought I would do a 12 by 12 cradle wood. So I am going to use these leftovers, and I always stir my paints before I'm ready to pour, but then I always take out the sticks because I've knocked them over before. So here we go, taking out the sticks. I'll probably, oh, this color, this was, I changed up my Payne's Gray to Golden's Payne's Gray, which is a little bluer than the Amsterdam. So I thought I'd try that out. But all the other colors are all the same. It's just leftovers. And they're not that old, actually. It's only a few hours later. Anyhow. So this is a 12 by 12. I've got a 9 ounce cup here. And I am going to put in just a little tiny bit of pearl. And I'm going to put in a lot of this. This is the, what do you call it? What is it called? It's pinwheel. And over the pinwheel, I am going to put the Payne's Gray. And then I am going to put that is the, oh my gosh, I'm tired. That's the Metallic Cobalt Blue by Artist Love. I want to put some of the pearl. Don't have too much pearl left. And then the gold. And I haven't put any of the bright aqua green in. There we go. It's a pretty cup. Pretty cup. I'm going to put in, this is Amsterdam Greenish Blue, and next to that I'm going to put the pearl. I should have mixed up some more pearl, but I'm trying to get rid of my colors. And then some of this, and then come back in with a little bit of the greenish blue. I think that's probably enough for that. Yeah. Oh lordy. But which one? Let's just do a little bit of the bright aqua green again. Payne's Gray. Whoa. And the pinwheel. I still have colors left. Can't seem to get rid of them. All right, I'm going to pour into, now this, I have primed this with Kills. So I'm good to go there. Just gonna put a little bit of gold in the center, and away we go. Which side do I want to pour from? Here we go. A lot of paint. don't think I'm going to put a flow extender around here. I'm just going to, well, just want to spin it. Spin it. I'm afraid of getting this one. I'll just spin it very lightly. Well, I'm going to have to torch it first. And I'm going to do it very lightly. Cool. I love spinning these. They're fun. Not getting the other painting contaminated. That was a word I was looking for the other day, contaminated. Oh, pretty. I want to keep that dark corner. You know what I might do? I might just do this, since it's the very corner. And my sides are taped, so I don't have to worry about the sides at all, because I like to show the wood. It's, oh gosh, this is pretty. I don't think I want to do much more to it. Just gonna leave it. It's pretty. I think it's better than the first one. What I did do a little bit different with this is with the pinwheel, I added a couple of drops of titanium white just so it would show up a little bit more, because in the other one it didn't. So I'm kind of glad I did that. It looks real pretty. All right, I'm gonna torch it and I'm gonna go to bed. Not be too long. So lesson learned, if you want some of your piggies to show up a little bit more, you can put just a little bit of titanium white in, or something very opaque, and it will make them more pronounced. This is real pretty. It's going to evolve a little bit too. I really like that golden Payne's gray. Yeah, it did the trick. So I'm going to wipe the bottoms. Wiping my bottom. Sounds awful. God. Oh, Lord. Lord love a duck. I'm going to continue. And then this piece will be really prime for resin. The other one, I would never resin a piece that big, the 24 by 24. It just, it doesn't work. What happens, the resin is so heavy, it sinks into the center. And that's pretty much with any canvas. It's kind of like that. So, no, not gonna happen. And I'm gonna put this one somewhere else to dry. And then I'm going to take the big one off of that spinner and put it down on here. So, wow, so pretty. I'm gonna let it, give it a few minutes before I take you down for a close-up. Yeah, because it's gonna develop a little bit more. Oh, holy cow. I love it. Oh, I like this one better than the big one. Which makes me want to do the big one over again, but no. Stop right now. All right, guys, I'll be back in a few. Hi, guys. Back. It developed a little bit. It's probably going to develop a little bit more. But there are some beautiful beautiful shimmer in here. Probably won't even, oh, there we go. Won't be able to see some of it until I have it resined, especially this right here, the pinwheel. I don't know if I can, don't know. Put the flash on. It's beautiful lines, cells. Look at those little guys. It's like a line of cells. Yeah. The little ones tend to turn out better, don't they? I don't know how that works out, but it does. Anyhow, very happy with this. I really do like the golden Payne's Gray a lot better than the Amsterdam. Look at that right there. That's gorgeous. Oh. Sparkle, sparkle. So, almost finished with the paint. Anyhow, please be safe and create. Please like, share, and subscribe. And ciao for now.